What's happening, everybody? We got another reset for you today. Today we're doing a Vortex ZG65 Pro. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a screen lock, you don't remember what it is, you have to do a hard reset on it, we'll show you how to do it. As always, just so you guys know, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will get deleted. And lastly, we are going to post a ton more hard resets and teardowns. So if you guys want to see anything in particular, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up first before we do anything else, but I want to just give you guys that heads up. So got this nice HD65. It's got a screen lock. It's not working. Power button. Trying to turn off the phone. It's not working. So what we'll do is we'll just pull that battery out real quick. And if you put it back in really quick, sometimes the phone will auto start, and that's kind of annoying. So you have to kind of wait to process it. Just wait a couple seconds and put it back in. Pop the back cover back on, and then what we want to do is you want to hold volume up and power at the same time. So you have your volume buttons right here, volume up, volume down, and power. So I'm going to start off by holding volume up, and then I'll hold power. And then it brings up this reset menu. And on this one, the volume button, volume up is to navigate. And then volume down is your selection button. So we want to navigate to recovery, then hit volume down. From here, the phone should load into recovery. If it loads to no command, depending on the software, you would just tap power and volume up to get out of that to get to this actual menu. But we use our volume buttons to navigate on this portion and the power button to select, so we'll navigate down to wipe data factory reset. Tap the power button to select, and then I'll confirm again, do the same thing again. Now phone reset, and it's back to that screen. Now you can either scroll down to power off or reboot. I'll just gonna reboot the system, hit the power button, and your phone is done. It's reset, and when you turn it on, it'll be on the welcome screen. You can navigate it and set it back up. That is how you do a hard reset on a Vortex HD65 Pro. If you guys have, like I said, any comments, questions, just drop, comment, like, subscribe, share. We appreciate all that. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.